Basically in '08, kind of as a side hustle, we were doing single family and we were doing a buy and hold strategy. In 2012, we sold off all those properties, moved into multifamily. And as of 2022, we're actually at about 13 deals, 2,200 doors. So now I'm doing this full time. I was able to quit my W-2 back in July of last year.
You were focused initially on some smaller properties. Why did you transition over to larger properties and what did you kind of learn?
We got a little bit of bad information going into the multifamily. We were told very large entry cost to get in, like six figures, which we found out later is not the case. A couple of things that we learned along the way. The old saying, tenants and toilets can kind of be a hassle. So when I looked at the returns we were getting on a monthly basis, like, man, this is a lot of work. And capital return in single family is, as we know, is based on what the comps are in that area. So I learned it was a lot of work, not a big return. And then we went to sell them. We were kind of capped on the amount of capital return we'd get because it's really based on the market.